hot and very dry, that's the British protectorate of Somaliland, where rain seldom falls and life in general is pretty tough. Wealth is measured in camels, the Somalis' most precious herds. Camels provide food and they provide transport. The people could scarcely get along without them. A royal visit to this country is a rare event, and it was obvious that the youngsters in particular were out to make the most of it. During his tour, the Duke of Gloucester brought a special message of greetings from the Queen to the Somali people. The Duchess, visiting a school, was entertained by a spirited performance by girl students. Ceremonial parades were naturally quite a feature of the visit. They look very smart, too. The Duke thanked the troops on behalf of the Queen for their loyal services in war and peace. Near Hargeisa, about 100 mounted tribesmen had gathered to express their loyal greetings. They said it with a spectacular charge across the airport. A short visit to Aden completed the Duke and Duchess's tour. London's Festival Hall.